Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Solaris. And this is going to be a shot. We're going to take a shot glass and we're going to serve this up neat. Go ahead and fill it halfway with a spiced rum. And fill it the rest of the way with some grenadine, our cherry flavored mixer here. And now what we're going to do is take some sugar. We're going to add about a teaspoon of sugar and go ahead and dump that in. So we're going to have a nice sweet shot. The grenadine is already very sweet, but by adding a little bit of sugar, you're not really going to taste that spiced rum in there at all. Go and stir it up until you feel like you've at least dissolved some of the sugar or got it dispersed throughout. And before it settles down to the bottom, you're going to want to go ahead and shoot it down. Bottoms up.